In this video, I will show you how to turn off auto renewal on Hostinger. So to do this, just go to your Hostinger H panel by signing into your account, and from here just go to whatever you want to turn off. And here just go to whatever you want to turn auto renewal off for, which for me is a domain. So therefore I'll go to my domains. For you it could be hosting, email, or whatever else that you have auto renewal on for. And from there you will see a list of it. So for me, the domains. And then here you can see auto renewal. Now what you want to do is just go and toggle that off and then click disable auto renewal. And then on the expiration date, you will not be billed automatically. And somebody else can then also claim the domain after the expiration date. So if you intend on keeping on using the hosting or domain or hosting, then you may be best keeping it on. But if not, you can just go and toggle off auto renewal right here, and then you will not be billed again. So now you know how to turn off auto renewal on Hostinger. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.